Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to report a bug in your profile on Snapchat. Reporting bugs helps improve the overall performance and reliability of your profile. So, let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're in the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In your account settings, you'll find the gear icon. Tap on it to access your Snapchat preferences and additional options. Step 4. Scroll down until you see the option labeled I spotted a bug. Tap on it to access the bug reporting feature. Step 5. Within the bug reporting menu, select Profile to report a bug specifically related to your Snapchat profile. Step 6. Write a specific report on the bug you encountered. Be sure to provide detailed information about the issue you are facing with your profile. If necessary, you can include pictures to support your report by tapping on Add Attachments and selecting the relevant images. By following these steps, you can easily report a bug in your profile on Snapchat and contribute to improving the performance and reliability of your Snapchat experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.